I was taken back. Like I really wanted to share my thoughts and opinions on um, what being an influencer is really about. What's good, everyone? I'm Joe23Dan, back with another video, and today's video I wanted to discuss something of the community. So I was going to create this video on the community and the culture, and then I read this article by Matt Welty, who I respect his opinion altogether on complex sneakers. He's also featured on Full Size Run. Shout out to Full Size Run, by the way. Yeah, so I read this piece about influencers, and it just I don't want to say it rubbed me in the wrong way, but I really wanted to discuss, like, the positives of the community and what this culture is and what other people do. Yeah, I did an Instagram live last week, and so this guy jumped on Instagram live with me and was just discussing his situation, and he said that the type of content that I create is impacting him. Like, it wants him to be able to create content for people like me, like for all you guys out there. And he also talked about, like, how he has an autistic sister and how he wanted to, like, better their situation and stuff like that. Like, don't get me wrong, YouTube, like, YouTube will pay peanuts. So, like, I only have maybe 27,000 subscribers. I know that that seems a lot for some people, but in the world of sneakers, I'm nowhere near, like, the impact that I could get from, say, like, somebody with 200,000 subscribers or 400,000 or even 1,000,000 subscribers. Like, I want to be able to translate my content to be able to impact people out there. So the reason why I'm here is so that I can impact somebody's life, and I feel like that's what I did in the case with this Instagram live story. And, like, that's what I really feel what an influencer is all about. So you can get brands that will contact you regarding, working with you, probably getting their name out and wanting to share their product to share with your followers. You might see that as being disingenuous, but at the same time, you really have to look at that person who is sharing that information and see whether or not they believe in that product. Now, personally for me, I don't do a lot of these sponsorship deals. I only work with you if I feel that I am passionate about your product, I believe in what it would do for me, and whether I am translating that to my followers. So that's why I'm pretty selective whenever I choose who to do a deal with in terms of brands, whether it be cleaners, whether it be, like, restorations, anything like that. Like, I really need to be able to see what work you've put in, what interest my followers would have in regards to your product, and whether or not I can see that product moving forward in the future. I'm more than willing to be able to help small-time creators in whatever they do, as long as I believe in what you present yourself with, or your product, or whatever. And that's where it starts, and we just get the ball rolling from there. So I guess what I'm trying to say is, I would like to see some of you big-time creators, filter your influence down to the people that support you. Because the impact that I got from this 21-year-old kid, like, it's given me some hope, some thought, some passion back into, like, what I've been wanting to do. And that's sharing content with every one of you guys out there. So, public or privately, there's been people that have reached out and said that, hey, continue doing what you're doing. We love your videos. And at the same time, I'm also thinking and questioning whether the type of content that I'm sharing is really impacting people's lives. And, by a few people out there in the comments, or, like, through public or private means, whether that be direct messages or whatnot, there's those little instances where people say just simply thank you. And I guess I just want to take this time and say thank you to you guys back, because without having that drive and motivation to be able to continue, like, doing the content that I do, I probably wouldn't be doing it. So that's it. That's pretty much the video. That's all I really wanted to share, and I just really wanted to talk about what the community does for people what the industry does, what the culture is all about, and it's really about sharing and impacting lives, just pretty much in a nutshell. So anyway, subscribe to the channel if you guys like the content. Let me know down in the comments what you guys think overall. I'll go ahead and share Matt Welty's article from Complex Sneakers in the description box below. You know, comment, let me know what you guys think, let them know what you guys think, and I will talk to you guys later. Take care.